Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Highlander rear wiper. First, gather your tools, including the new wiper blade. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a flat surface. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Having the right blade is crucial for effective clearing and visibility. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the window until it locks into an upright position. Next, locate the small tab or clip that secures the old blade to the arm. Press this tab and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass. Now take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once the new blade is attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Finally, give your new wiper a quick test to ensure it's working perfectly and clearing the window effectively. Remember to regularly check your wiper blades for any signs of wear or damage, replacing them as needed for optimal visibility and safety. Also, if you're looking for great deals on reading devices and more, check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.